ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ, ਸਟਾਰਟਅਪਸ ਦੀ, ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਦੀ, ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੀ, ਇਕਨੋਮੀ ਦੀ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕੋਈ ਇਹੋ ਜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀਆਂ, ਜੋ ਅਪਕਮਿੰਗ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੈਲਪ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਦੇ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਨ ਐਂਡ ਉਹ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜੋ ਸੀਜ਼ਨਡ ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰਸ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਇਨਕਿਊਬੇਟਰਸ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਸ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ LPU ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਆਓ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਇਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਮਿਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਂਡ ਵਿਲ ਆਲਸੋ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਕਰਾ ਸਕੀਏ ਜੋ ਇਸ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਦੋਜ਼ ਗੈਸਟਸ who have become part of this and ਕੁਝ ਯੰਗ ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰਸ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਆਲ ਦੋਜ਼ ਆਓ ਚੱਲੀਏ।
To all the present dignitaries on the dais of the dais. Today we don't gather for a summit, we gather for a spark that will ignite ideas, conventions and shape the future. Welcome to the Innovation Summit 2025, where possibility meets purpose. As a chair of Punjab chapter of the Young Leaders Council, IMA, I stand before you not just with pride, but with a deep sense of responsibility. Because this room is filled with the minds that will define the next decade. And if there is one thing I have learned, it is this: वक्त के साथ बदलने का हुनर रखो, क्योंकि जो रुके हैं वो थमे नहीं, वो छूट गए। So innovation is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the heartbeat of progress. It does not come from comfort, it comes from courage, from the student who dares to ask, why not? When our why is clear, our how is automatically appear. To the entrepreneurs who risk everything for a vision no one else can see, we deeply honor today by the presence as a chief guest, ma'am, Dr. Colonel Rashmi Mittal, ma'am, whose grace, empathy and dedication to the education inspire all of us, whose wisdom and vision continue to guide the path of academic excellence and innovation. I warmly welcome Dr. Saurabh Lakhanpal sir also, Executive Dean and Head of Student Welfare, and Dr. Nitin Bhardwaj sir, Associate Professor, the true backbone of this event. Their tireless efforts and leadership have made this summit a reality. A heartfelt welcome to Mr. Santosh sir, our guiding light and mentor, immediate past Chairman, IMA Young Leadership Council and Director SPJMR. Sir, your vision, encouragement and belief in empowering youth have been our greatest source of strength. Gratitude also Mr. Arun Pandit sir, National Chairman IMA YLC, for his inspiring energy and leadership that motivates young leaders across India. A special mention to Mr. Vishal Sharma sir, Secretarial General, Jalandhar Management Association. Your constant guidance, encouragement and support have been instrumental in our journey. And there is one name we all remember with deep respect and emotion, late Shri Ehsanul Haq sir, our mentor and guide, where we here today because of him. His vision, his blessings and his belief in us. Sir, we really miss you deeply at this moment, and your spirit continue to inspire every step we take. I also extend my welcome all YLC across India who have come together to make this event vibrant and impactful. A special mention for Rohit sir, Rohit Bishnoi sir, he is our guest of honor for coming here. To all our panelists who joining us from Singapore to Mexico, Mumbai to Mohali, thank you for your wisdom, time and belief in the power of young innovators. And now to the young minds in this hall, this summit belongs to all of you. You are not waiting for the future, you are building it. You are not just participants, you are the catalyst. And you don't need permission to lead, you need conviction. मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. So the truly lost of those who never step out. Dream big, build boldly. Let us today unforgettable. Let's ask the hard questions, challenges to easy answers, and walk out not just inspired but activated. Because the world does not need more followers, it needs leaders with fire in their belly and purpose in their stride. आसमां भी झुकेगा ज़मीं भी चलेगी, आसमां भी झुकेगा ज़मीं भी चलेगी, बस इरादे हों बुलंद तो हर राह खुद निकलेगी. I would like to thank from the core of my heart with all my gratitude. Thank you for being here. Let's innovate, let's elevate, let's lead. Thank you so very much. Thanks a lot. Wish you all the best and have a wonderful journey ahead. Stay blessed.
Of the Ideathon under Innovation Summit 2025. And the second runner-up award under Ideathon goes to the team AirSense Labs. The second runner-up award goes to team AirSense Labs. I request the eminent guest speakers to kindly join us for a group photograph. Now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting on stage the second runner-up of Ideathon under Innovation Summit 2025, Team AirSense Labs. Runner-up award now goes to team Creamy Karma. Creamy Karma has won the first runner-up position at Ideathon under Innovation Summit 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for the first runner-up of Ideathon? And now, the winner of Ideathon goes to Team Macbees. Our second runner-up, Airson's Lab. The startup is a fast-growing health tech and clean tech company that combines AI, wearable health monitoring, and IoT. On stage, we have the winner of Ideathon, Macbees, which is creating a multiverse of all the universities around the world. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. I extend a heartfelt thanks to the chief guest of our event, Dr. Colonel Rashmi Mittal, the Pro-Chancellor, Lovely Professional University, for gracing this occasion with the time and presence. With this,